Oh guys, welcome to the channel, to another video, another food, whatever, more food every week. Let's finish the series triple treat with the banger. I hope so. Bounty. Damn it. For those who love coconut, this must be hopefully is a good one, because we had a few that they were a bit disappointed. Let's see how it goes with this one. I hope it's good by the looks of it. But yeah, you got like 4 bars of 32 grams. Each bar they have 135 calories, 135, and they should taste like coconut, hopefully. And yeah, let's open the box.
Oh, what's in the box?
Oh wow, they really want to. Damn it, I hate. Oh god. There you go. Look at that. Bounty triple treat too. Ba, 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 ba. Let's jump. Smell test. Okay. You can smell a little bit of coconut. The coconut flakes. You will see what I mean. See those coconut flakes? Yeah. Ooh. Smells nice. Oh. Okay. Okay. That's much better, I will say.
Oh, God, it's so good. So good.
Not perfect, but way better than the ones I review. So make sure to watch it. I will leave the links below. And with this final one, you probably can make your decision. You probably can make your decision if you like coconut. I hope so, because coconut is healthy. Healthy. Go for a second one. This one, I'll be looking forward because I can taste them. Oh my. Well, finally. Remember, not perfect, but good. If I want a quick snack with a coconut, this will be the go. Yeah. See? 2 already down. 2 more. Yeah, good. They are good. Third one. You see those flakes? I think this is what saved them. Yeah. Because they are coconut flakes. Really good. Score on this. Yeah. before I forget. These are solid. Seven. No, it's too high. It's a solid 6.5. Yeah, because no, I'll say 7. Of all of them, I don't remember the score I gave to them, but I'm sure this is the best one of all the 4. I'm not sure. Check below. But this is a 7. Yeah, it's not a solid 7, but it's on the edge. So, but it's a 7. It doesn't matter. It's a 7. Because yeah, I don't think it's, I hope not it's because I like coconut, but as a bar, it's good. Mm. 7 calories, 135. It's not much. Just do a quick laps around the corner. We'll be gone. See? 4, really quick, nice and easy. Ooh. Good. Make sure you see which one it is. Guys, try this one please. Forget the other ones. Or at least if you want. Or if you want to try, give it a go. Thanks for your support. Please make sure to check the other one so you make your decision. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. Please leave a like, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. And peace, guys.